Hi there, how are you doing? Trust you are doing great. I am doing great also. Thank you so much for asking. Welcome to today's tutorial about this application called WhatsApp. And on today's episode, I will be showing you how to use the different WhatsApp messaging tools. But for today, we'll talk about the welcome message. Alright, one thing you need to understand is that when we talk about welcome message, what we are talking about is the greetings message. And under the greetings message, how will you find it? Let us go back so that I will explain it to you one after the other. So what you need to go to is go into the business tools. When you get to the business tools, you're going to see the different business tools. So the first thing is you see the business profile, the catalog, now the messaging, right? So under the messaging, we have away message, greetings message, and quick replies and labels. So you go into greetings message. Greetings message is what you want to tell your customer when they DM you, maybe for the first time. Do you get? How do you want to greet them? So what you need to ask yourself is, it is very simple. What you need to ask yourself is, how will you welcome a customer that comes into your store? Then you need to think, how will I do it digitally by using WhatsApp? So leveraging on WhatsApp, how can I welcome my customer to my store? So what you do is look at this. It said greet customers when they message you the first time or after 14 days of no activity. That means if I message you today, it will deliver to me as a greeting, and then in 14 days, if you and I don't have a chat with each other, I'm going to definitely get that message if I DM you the 15th day. So let's go into it. What you need to do basically is on it, because you need to on it. So you on it, and then see, this is the welcome message I type. See this, very straight to the point, very well articulated, well written. There's no big words, there's no big words, there's no hard words. So this is how I just want to communicate. Do you get? So when I say okay, now look at this recipient. You can select people who will receive it. For example, check this out. You can say everyone. You can say everyone not in your address book. You can say everyone except, you can select people that you don't want to send it to. Do you understand? And then you can say only send to specific number of people. You can only say send it to specific people. Do you understand? But me, I want you to send to everyone not in my address book. That means anyone who messages me for the first time. This is it. It is sent to them. So I just say save, and then it's automatically saved. So if anyone should message me for the first time and I don't have their number saved on my phone, it is going to send them that message. Now, did you get that? I hope you were able to get that. Alright, so awesome. That is what we have for today. Join me next time when I have another video for you. I'll be teaching you about other tools that can help you in your business. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your friend, Tolu Akemi. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Till I see you next time. Bye bye.